So here we go, Dark 79 here. We're in part 3 of the Iron Man 66 build. Now, I was originally going to have it so his faceplate would either unclip off or it was going to move, but my time frame is extremely low. So I've decided to do the 3D printing welding. I started making little clips inside. Don't know if you can see them in there. Started making little clips. I'm so old school, and then I twigged. I thought, what am I doing? Just weld it together. So, 3D printing with a pen. Have you ever done it before? I have, and it works really well. So the good thing about the 3D printing pen is all these little bits of filament on the ends of spools that you never use or get thrown away. So I work at a location where they've got a 3D printer. Whenever there's these little bits left, I grab them. Let's see. Nice. Got a red light still. So yeah, I've got Mannequin Me hanging up in the front room at the moment, and he's got the Iron Man chest part just thrown over him for now. Here we go. Green light. We pop that in there. And what we do is I can't show you. Let me just get in there and do a bit. Funny thing is, this costume is just for it's just for a birthday party. It's like old school Dark 79, because back in the day, I only had Halloween to look forward to go out and become my true self. You can make it look pretty. So, here we go. .3D printed pen time. Messy welding. Yes, I was going to have it clipped in and out, but I decided just to stick it together. How cool is that? So now I've deliberately left. That's what you should see this. It's not flush. I've deliberately left that line because I think it makes it really, see that little contour? I think if it was attached fully in as it was supposed to be flat, it would look like it was all one piece, but having that there, I really like it. See? I think that looks wicked. And I say, the files for this, I'll link below. I just got some replacement lenses for some sunglasses, and my master plan is to, let's go over here, to put the glasses inside here, like so they're reflective. First things first, inside you'll see those little black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've worked out where they're going to go. Now they're not completely flush, but I don't care because it will mean they won't steam up. I'm going to use the 3D printing pen to keep them in. So shall we try? There we go. So what I do is I fill in the joint between the glasses to beef it up, and then I zigzag across like a weld. Not pretty, but yeah, hand's not flipping any seams, so I'm good. Then I go once around it to lock it, and then I'm off. And it looks at something like this. Section in the Iron Man class. Hey, looks pretty cool. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, filament strings like spider webs. Oh, I like spider webs. Here you go. Yeah, not pretty. All I've done is one either side. And now I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. And we'll see how Iron Man looks. I'd love a studio to do all this properly, then I'd make proper videos. That's a good one. It's a good weld. Good weld, sir. Good weld. The one in the middle that I couldn't reach is disgusting. Let's try and make it look a little bit more. As my mother would say, you can't polish a turd. Get off me. Come on. Why is it all over the place? Oh, wait. Away. God, I hate filament strands. Off. Right, you ready? A little bit of foam in the top of the helmet. There you go. Okay. It's just two lenses, just glued in. The gap, that little gap. I'll stop it from steaming up. Good. We're a bit of party dancing. Gonna be at party dancing if you didn't hear that. So there we go. Eyes are in. They look pretty sweet. So DAC 79, another part, 3D printed part, just showing how 3D printing pens are amazing for welding. Really are. That DAC 79 out.